like this is your first time walking in the door, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you get every episode.
Number one, ready?
Hi, welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to get every episode. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Today we are going to be making the fastest beef and broccoli that you can make. It's faster than ordering it. It is faster than going and picking it up, unless you live right next door. I guess then you could just go next door and pick it up. But for me, this is the quickest, fastest recipe. And if you like it, you could also make it vegan. So if you're a vegan, you could also do the vegan beef tips, and it's delicious. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we are going to pour in the beef broth. We turned the Instant Pot on to Sauté to get it going and get it all heated up. I'm gonna add the soy sauce. Sesame seed oil is so delicious. Normally I go light on it, but in this recipe you really want to add quite a bit. So I have a whole teaspoon in there. Then we're going to add some brown sugar. Add that little bit of sweetness. We got some crushed garlic. Whoops, can't get it all out. Got to get every drop. So we're gonna go ahead. I like all the garlic in there because it's delicious. We have tons of ginger. I added extra ginger in my recipe just because I like it. Of course, if you're making it at home, you would add more or less to whatever you like. If you like less garlic, more ginger, less ginger, more garlic, feel free. Oh, it's already sizzling. We're gonna stir it up. Combine everything. Get all that garlic mixed up. I think I need a bigger. There you go. Just like that. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit out and I'm gonna save it on the side for a slurry to thicken up the sauce so it coats all the broccoli and the meat. And I have a bigger spoon. So you really want just, I don't know, 3 tablespoons or so. And we're gonna set that aside. And then we're gonna add the meat in. Now, I've made this a few times. The first time I sauteed the meat, got a little brown. The second time I didn't, and I really didn't see a big difference. So I recommend you don't need to saute it. Just go ahead and throw it in. It comes out delicious. It doesn't make a difference in the taste. I'm using sirloin that I sliced on a meat slicer that we have at home. Oh, look at that. Is that delicious? That's a lot of meat. It's 3 pounds of sirloin. You could use other kinds of meat. I would go for the less fatty, less marbled. I know that's delicious on the barbecue, but for beef and broccoli, you don't want the fat in there. That's it. Everything else, we're gonna set this for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna take the broccoli and I'm gonna steam it in the microwave. Now you could put it in now into the pot, but I tend to find it comes out a little bit too mushy for me. It's too soft, but if you like it that way, go ahead and throw it in the pot. And when you're done, then make your slurry and do it afterwards. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 5 minutes. They're gonna be crisp and just slightly tender. And then after I do the slurry, then I'll put the broccoli in. Keep it a little crunchy. Okay, we're back. I'm really excited for you guys to see the final product. We had the meat cooking for 10 minutes. Then we quick released it in the pressure doohickey. Little pressure peg went down. And then we're gonna go open it up. And then we're gonna press saute because I want to cook the slurry in it, and it's piping hot. While this was cooking, I steamed the broccoli because I like it a little bit crunchy. See, it's a little firm. Has a bite to it. It's not mushy. It's delicious. I'm gonna take some cornstarch and I am going to add it to the sauce that we kept out. And mix it up. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna make our sauce thicker. So the sauce will coat every single broccoli. Just like that. I'm gonna put it in. Give it a zhuzh. Give it a little zhuzh. Now as this cooks, it's gonna get thicker. I made this a few times, and the first couple times the recipe I was going with, it didn't have enough sauce. We tend to like the sauce a lot. It's a good flavor. So in this recipe, it has quite a bit of sauce. We have a lot of broccoli and a lot of beef, and we like a lot of sauce. So we're gonna take the broccoli, par cooked, and dump it in. Stay out of the splash zone, people. Just like that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You gonna catch them?
I think you're catching them just fine.
Look at that. One got away. That was mine. Look at all that broccoli. Can you see it? Yeah. We're gonna stir it up. Make sure. Oh man. Did you see that? I'm gonna use a different utensil. There we go. Just like that. Now, we got some rice. I made some delicious rice. You could look up a recipe, the easiest, fluffiest rice with the Instapot. So super easy. I made a ton of it because I knew I'd be making this today. So I made it ahead of time. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Now I'm digging down deep because I want that juice, because I like it. Look at that. Does that look delicious? You know you want it. Okay, let's take a bite. Okay, I only have a spoon. It's gonna be hot. Take a little bite. Oh, you know, I really like the sesame seeds on it. Don't forget to do that. It gives it a special flavor. It's so good. And I love the crunch of the green onion. So when you're serving, you can leave these out in case people don't like them, or you could go ahead and serve it. I'm gonna get green onion on there. Let's take a bite. Ooh. The meat is super tender. It melts literally in your mouth. I love the sirloin flavor. The sauce, I'm telling you, you could drink it. It's so delicious. You're gonna want extra sauce, so make sure you make plenty of the sauce to go with each serving. And the rice is just perfect. I hope you enjoy this. If you make it, please let me know. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you have to say. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.